to the point of completion here. So I'm putting in my my copper toes on my bear paws. Now, I see a lot of mistakes I've made, but I'm overall happy with it. So what I'm doing is pre-drilling the holes, and then putting in the the toes. So all I did is I just got a 1/16 engraving bit on my Dremel tool. I'm just trying to kind of come in front of the toe as straight as possible and not let the bit walk around. I'm trying to keep it from vibrating. So then I'm just taking and putting the copper tacks that I've ground into the shape of the toe and setting them in the hole and just setting them. I'm not pounding them all the way in yet because they have a tendency to rotate and bend. So I'm trying to get them knocked in as straight as possible and then setting them. Now, like I said in earlier videos, this is by no means a custom $1,500 rifle or $2,000 rifle. This is something I built for myself for my own personal enjoyment. It's the first one I've ever completely built on my own. So there's a lot of mistakes that are present for more skilled craftsmen that may not have made them or would know how to correct them, but I'm really happy with, in a lot of ways, with how it turned out. So once I get the toe pointed in the direction I want it to go, oops. See, that one twisted on me right away. Copper's super soft. Walnut is rather hard. So trying to, even though I pre-drilled them, I pre-drilled them to the a size smaller, and these shafts on these tacks tend to be square. maybe I can twist it a little bit to get it a little better. So I want to take and try to get the burrs out and get those set. Now I know this copper will change colors on me. I know that. But I got these two here to do, so I'll do these and then we'll move on from there. Well, there's my copper toes. Kind of turned out like hobbit feet. But as you can see, the lock hasn't been installed. The wedge pins have been installed. The thumb hole pipe, ramrod pipe, and end cap. And I did that cross too. I'm going to see if I can find some copper paint, maybe some acrylic copper paint, and fill the names in. The only thing I'm not too totally satisfied with is this side lock washer. It wasn't included in the kit, so I just used a regular washer. I think I'll find maybe a larger one and we'll brown it and put it on there. Okay, well, here she is, fully assembled. Fiber optic sight on the front. Still a couple minor things I want to do to it. I want to fill those letters with copper paint, acrylic paint of some sort. Been a long road to get here. Really happy with how it turned out. I'm not a craftsman by any means, but I am super happy with how it turned out. I wish the lettering would have turned out a little better. Maybe on the next rifle. I really enjoyed building this. It was definitely a good time. It was a good expression of things that were in my heart and in my mind. So I will definitely build another one. Maybe I'll do a pistol next. Here is the side plate that I made. I tried making a bear paw first, but it wasn't big enough. Okay, here is the lettering. I ended up using Tester's model paint. I tried a couple other things and they didn't perform well. They didn't fill, they smeared. So just a fine paintbrush and copper model. Here's to a job done. This is not perfect by any means, but it's perfect to me. So you're going to get to see the cherry taken off the frizzen. So, like I told you, if you liked it, click subscribe. I'm going to do more. I'm always doing different videos and different things. A lot of different subject matter all the time. But I got to build the ramrod, a couple of little minor things, and I'll try to do a video on those. But she's ready to go hunting right now. So, happy trails. Ain't that a purty thing?